name is Alex, and I'm going to show you how to fix fuzzy or blurry images in Photoshop. So I have my fuzzy image here, and I want to make it look sharper. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Filter, and I'm going to go to Sharpen. I'm going to go to Smart Sharpen. And what this is going to do is it's going to let me play around with the levels of sharpness. So, and you can also select, what you want to remove. So if I select Remove Lens Blur, it'll just change how the image looks. So I'm going to play around with the amount and the radius. If you bring the radius up, it's really going to make it high contrast, so it's just best to stick to a lower radius. And I'm going to just make my amount go up a little bit. If you bring it all the way up, it's really going to just define everything, and you don't want to do that. So I'm going to say OK to that. And there, it's going to sharpen it. And I'll show you the difference, which is, that was way fuzzier. And then if you redo it, it's a lot sharper. My name is Alex, and this is how you fix fuzzy or blurry images in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.